Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by stopping Teams activity and preventing restarts. First, sign out and quit Teams from the system tray. This ensures files aren't locked. Next, open Task Manager, find Teams and Teams Updater, and end both processes so uninstallers can run cleanly. Finally, go to Settings, Apps, Startup, and toggle Teams off. This prevents the background updater from relaunching during removals. Once done, make sure no Teams icons remain in the tray or Task Manager before continuing to uninstall steps. You'll remove the main software and any machine-level installer. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Uninstall Microsoft Teams first, then uninstall Teams machine-wide installer if present. After the GUI uninstall, open File Explorer and delete Teams folders in %appdata%\Microsoft\Teams and %localappdata%\Microsoft\Teams to remove user caches and logs. If the machine-wide installer persists, run an elevated command prompt and use msexec or the product code to uninstall. This ensures global install components are removed. You're near the finish line. Reboot the computer to release any locked files and let Windows finalize removals. After restart, verify that %program files % and %program files x86% contain no Microsoft Teams folders, and optionally inspect registry keys under HKCU/software/Microsoft/Office and HKLM for leftover Teams entries. Only remove keys if you're comfortable editing the registry. If an uninstall fails, reinstall the latest Teams installer, then run the uninstall again as administrator. This repair then remove trick often fixes corrupted uninstallers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.